We came to the beach with one mission: to experience seafood the way it was meant to be eaten. Fresh, bold, and unforgettable. Remember the first time we tried cooking fish together? We almost burned down your kitchen.
I know, that was so funny. Don't remind me, I still smell that smoke sometimes in my dreams.
Today, no smoke, just fire, fresh fish, and the ocean breeze. Look at these beauties from the morning catch.
They're incredible. Can I touch one?
Of course, they're very fresh.
Oh wow, look at this. This is bigger than anything I imagined.
Everything tastes better when shared, especially when it's this fresh.
That smells amazing. They're almost ready. Here you go. Wow, they look perfect.
I told you this tilapia is magic. Can you taste the ocean?
Wow, it was like the sea whispered in this stew.
And don't even get me started on the pepper sauce. That's pure fire.
Pure fire and pure trouble. Oh wow, look at this. This is bigger than anything I imagined.
Everything tastes better when shared. I love forever isn't enough.
I love moments like this. You, me, the beach, the food. It feels like forever isn't enough.
Exactly. Friendship is like this coconut water, full of sweetness, warmth, and shared memories.
And sometimes a little chili kick, just to keep life exciting.
If you ever get the chance, make memories like this, with food, friends, and the ocean right beside you.
Exactly, and don't forget the spice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you all in my next video. Bye!